Turmeric and ginger are the most used spices ingredients in healthcare products. Did you know that these two simple kitchen ingredients could be your secret weapons against cancer and aging? They are nature's most powerful healers. Stay tuned as we reveal how these superfoods fight cancer, boost your skin's glow, and how you can use them daily. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health-boosting tips. Studies show that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been found to slow cancer cell growth and even induce cell death in certain cancers. Ginger, on the other hand, contains gingerol, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that fights oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of cancer. Some of its key benefits are: reduces tumor growth, protects healthy cells from damage, boosts immunity, and fights inflammation. Want radiant, youthful skin? Say hello to turmeric and ginger. Turmeric's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help clear acne, brighten skin, and fight signs of aging. Ginger boosts blood circulation, keeping your skin fresh, hydrated, and glowing. How they can help your skin: fades dark spots and scars, reduces acne and inflammation, prevents premature aging. Now let's make it easy for you to include turmeric and ginger in your daily routine. 1. Turmeric ginger detox tea. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and ginger into tea with honey and lemon. 2. Golden milk before bed. Boil almond mind and add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and pinch of black pepper and cinnamon. 3. DIY turmeric face mask. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric with 1 tablespoon of yogurt with 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Apply and leave for 10 minutes. And there you have it. Turmeric and ginger, your secret weapons for fighting cancer and achieving glowing skin. Which recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs this. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful health tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.